Have you ever walked into the kitchen, dreaming of a delicious, warm, chocolatey cookie, only to find the cookie jar looking empty? It's a classic kitchen mystery, a puzzle just waiting to be solved. You're not out of luck, you're on a case, and every good detective knows that the first step is to look for clues. What's this? A clue, a tiny trail of crumbs like a secret map. If your crumbs lead toward the oven, you're not just in a kitchen, you're in a mystery. A delicious, crumb-filled mystery that only a true math detective can solve. Are you ready to put on your detective hat and help us crack the case? Let's follow the trail and see where it leads. Our story begins with a master baker, Tommy the Mouse. Just a little while ago, Tommy baked a magnificent batch of 24 warm, gooey chocolate chip cookies for his friends. He counted them carefully. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 24. He set them on the counter to cool, dreaming of sharing them. But little did he know, his friends were already on their way, and they were very, very hungry. First to arrive was his friend Mia. Her nose twitched, smelling the wonderful cookie aroma. "Wow, Tommy," she squeaked, "these look amazing!" Before Tommy could even offer, Mia grabbed a pawful. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First, Mia eats 5 cookies. Then, in bounded Sam, who could smell Tommy's baking from 3 houses away. "Cookies!" he cheered. Sam was a fast eater and an even faster grabber. He scooped up a bunch. Can you count how many he took? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow. Then, Sam eats 7 cookies. And finally, quiet little Lily tiptoed in. She was a bit shy, but she loved cookies just as much as everyone else. While Tommy was chatting with Sam, Lily snuck over to the tray and quickly took a few. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, Lily sneaks 4 cookies. Okay, math detectives, this is our first big clue. We need to figure out how many cookies were eaten in total. Let's add those bites together. We have the 5 that Mia ate, the 7 that Sam ate, and the 4 that Lily ate. So our problem is 5 plus 7 plus 4. Let's do it step by step. First, what is 5 plus 7? Let's think. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's right, 5 plus 7 is 12. Great job. But we're not done. We still have to add the 4 cookies Lily took. So now we have 12 plus 4. What does that equal? Let's count on from 12. 13, 14, 15, 16. Perfect. 5 plus 7 plus 4 equals 16 cookies eaten. Now for part 2 of our investigation. Subtraction time. We know Tommy started with 24 cookies, and we know his friends ate 16 of them. To find out how many should be left, we need to subtract. Our problem is 24 minus 16. This one is a little tricky. If we look at the ones place, we have 4 minus 6. We can't take 6 away from 4, so we need to borrow from the tens place. We'll take 1 10 from the 2, which leaves 1 10. Then we add that 10 to our 4, which makes it 14. Now we can subtract. 14 minus 6 is 8, and 110 minus 110 is 0. So 24 minus 16 leaves 8. Our math tells us there should be 8 cookies left on the plate. Let's go back to the kitchen and check. Tommy counts the cookies left on the tray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exactly 8. He breathes a big sigh of relief. Phew, he thinks. At least there are some left for my other friends. Case closed, right? Not so fast. A true detective never stops at the first answer. Just as Tommy relaxes, a bit of flour dust tickles his nose, and he lets out a tiny sneeze. Ah-ha-choo! The little puff of air blows away some crumbs on the floor, revealing another crumb trail. This one leads somewhere he hadn't looked before. Surprise! Tommy follows the new trail, which leads him right behind the big warm oven. And what does he find? There are 3 more cookies hiding behind the oven. They must have been knocked off the tray by accident. This changes everything. We thought there were only 8 cookies left, but we found a hidden stash. So, we need to do one more calculation. We have the 8 cookies on the plate, plus the 3 cookies we just discovered. What is 8 plus 3? Let's count. 9, 10, 11. So, 8 plus 3 equals 11 cookies actually left. Tommy gathers them all up. The mystery is finally solved. Great work, detective. Let's do a quick recap of our detective work. We used addition to find out how many cookies were eaten. We used subtraction to find out how many should have been left. And we used our sharp eyes to find the hidden clues. Math is detective work, and cookies make it delicious. Now, are you ready to practice being a math detective? Let's try a few more quick cases. Case number 1. You bake 15 cookies. Your brother eats 6 of them. How many are left? 15 minus 6. I'll give you a moment to think. It's 9. Next case. You have 8 oatmeal cookies and your friend brings over 9 peanut butter cookies. How many cookies do you have altogether? 8 plus 9. Take a second. Did you get 17? You're a natural. Last one. This is a 2-stepper. You have 20 cookies. Your mom eats 5 and your dad eats 5. How many are left? First, add what they ate. 5 plus 5 is 10. Then, subtract from the start. 20 minus 10 is 10. 10 cookies are left. You've been an amazing detective today. You helped Tommy solve his cookie mystery and practiced your super math skills. Next time Tommy bakes, he'll be sure to count twice, and maybe put the lid on the cookie jar a little tighter. So, what would you do if your snacks started disappearing? Would you set up a detective station in your kitchen? Keep up the great work, and remember to always check for crumbs.